Vikram and I share an unwavering passion for design. This passion inspires us to create magical wedding dress experiences for brides and for designers designing their collection. Our dedication to this craft is beyond mere aesthetics. It is about creating a sense of magic and joy for one of life's most cherished occasions. At Finesse Couture, we pride ourselves on unparalleled customer service, where meticulous attention to detail and the client's vision takes center stage. Every stitch, every bead, and every fabric is thoughtfully chosen to make sure the final garment is not just stunning, but perfect in style and spirit. Our foundation is based on the principles of excellence, consistency, integrity, and honesty. What clearly distinguishes us is our commitment to clear communication throughout the journey, because of which our clients feel heard, valued, and confident throughout the process. We are profoundly passionate about what we do, with an ambitious vision of becoming one of the top 10 wedding dress and fabric designers worldwide within the next 3 years. When Vikram and I started this journey more than 2 decades ago, we were inspired by our clients' admiration for our quality of work, our intricate beading and embroideries. Their enthusiasm and encouragement spurred us to evolve from making individual pieces to becoming a complete wedding dress manufacturer. Today, we have the privilege of working with designers all over the world, including the US, Australia, Canada, and Western Europe. We release 3 distinct collections every year with over 150 to 200 meticulously handcrafted designs. Our unwavering love for design has propelled the growth of our team from a small group of 5 to now hundreds of artisans and in-house designers, all dedicated to the art of creating timeless bridal wear.
At Finesse Couture, teamwork is the foundation of everything we do. It has been the cornerstone of our process-driven operations. Today, Finesse is the go-to destination in India for gown manufacturing and designing, all along transforming India's image from a skill-based marketplace to a full-fledged gown manufacturing hub. This transformative shift has been met with overwhelming response from our customers, energizing us to work even harder. Shweta and I like to maintain close contacts with our customers and hence travel extensively, learning from their insights and also gathering new information. Our ability to anticipate global trends, coupled with our design sensibilities, usually places us ahead of the curve to predict what is going to come in the upcoming season. Our designers and artisans are the heart of Finesse Couture, deeply embedded in each and every step of the process, bringing to life our collective vision in each and every product we create. We pride ourselves in continuously setting ourselves apart by maintaining impeccable quality and ensuring a flawless fit for every client. Drawing on Shweta's architectural background and my engineering expertise, we have been able to design sustainable processes and set clear goals to deliver meticulously crafted dresses. Our attention to detail extends to every aspect of our product, be it sourcing the finest materials or adopting the latest techniques to deliver and perfecting our designs and embroidery. We attract top talent from the best design schools in India, and the glowing feedback we have received is a testament to the quality of our work. By fostering a positive and empowering work environment, we have been able to retain our skilled artisans and designers for over 15 years. This shows our commitment to nurturing talent and maintaining high team morale.
At Finesse, we are committed to sustainability. We generate 50% of our power needs through solar, and we have sustainability practices at every level of our operations. Our goal is to become the aspirational wedding gown manufacturer from India, setting new standards of elegance and craftsmanship. We thrive on doing great work for great people.